Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where rollback is stuck in a loop on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. First of all, you will have to force shut down your system. So press the power button for long till it forces your system to shut down. After that, we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, okay, and then search for command prompt. Go to run as administrator, paste it here, and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the cache for Windows updates. It will re-register the Windows update DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.